Hello students, welcome to class 8. I am your English teacher Mrs. Shivani Sharma and today I am going to teach you a chapter of literature. The name of the chapter is The Best Christmas Present in the World. You all are having smiles on your faces because you have heard the word present. You all like to receive presents, isn't it? But this chapter is not about any present which is a material. It is rather related to emotions. Let me just tell you the summary of the chapter. In this chapter, we have a few characters like the narrator of the story, then Mrs. Jim Macpherson, her name is Connie, then Mr. Jim Macpherson, who is a soldier, or rather we could say that he is a teacher, which you will come to know in the story later. So they are basically fighting a war with each other, that is the German soldiers and the British soldiers, and at that time of war Mr. Jim Macpherson wrote a letter to his wife Mrs. Connie Macpherson, and Mrs. Connie Macpherson has treasured the letter because it was the last letter of her husband which he had written from the war front. Now what happens next in the story? We will see why this chapter is called The Best Christmas Present in the World. That also we will come to know in the chapter. So let us begin the chapter, children. The narrator once went to a junk shop and there he found a roll top desk. You can see a picture over here, children. And it was actually he wanted to buy a roll top desk since long, but since it was very expensive, he couldn't afford it. But when he went to the junk shop, he saw a roll top desk. Of course, it was in a very bad condition. It was having burn marks on it, and water due to water also it was spoiled. Then when he saw it, he thought that let me buy it because I can repair it later. It was made of oak wood. He buys the roll top desk and he brings it home. While opening the desk, the narrator comes across a secret drawer. Inside the secret drawer, he finds a small box. And on the box, a note was stuck with sellotape and it was written, Jim's last letter received on 25th January 1915. And it was written that it should be buried with me when the time comes. That means the person to whom this letter belonged had kept it inside this drawer. Now, the narrator knew very well that it was not right to read anybody's letter. But he was curious to find out what was written in the letter. So, he opened the letter. The letter belonged to Mrs. Jim Macpherson. It was written on 25th December 1914 at the time of war and on the day of Christmas. It was written by her husband Mr. Jim Macpherson, who had gone to fight a war with the Germans. He was a British. Jim Macpherson was a British. Now Jim was happy to share with his wife Connie a detail of this particular day. This particular day means the Christmas day. He wanted to write down in that his experience. Something amazing had happened on the day of Christmas which he wanted to write down to his wife. He described that in the battlefront, that when he was waiting to fight a war with the Germans, it was the day of Christmas and suddenly he saw the Germans, the Germans were known as Fritz and the British were known as Tommy. He saw that they were waving a white flag, and white flag, children, we know is a symbol of peace, and they were waving a white flag and saying Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas. But the British soldiers were doubtful about it. Jim Macpherson thought that it was a dirty trick which the German soldiers were playing on them. They thought that they will be trying to kill us because we will think that they want to make peace. So let us wait for it and see what is going to happen next. Jim Macpherson told his soldiers to be alert. But he saw that one after the other, the soldiers started coming into the no man's land. No man's land means it did not belong to anybody. They started coming inside it, and now the British soldiers also thought of going and joining them in the Christmas celebration. Children, it is not a usual thing to happen. It is not a usual thing, because what happens that at the time of war, you do not know what is going to happen next, when a bullet will come and hit you. But here in the no man's land, both the soldiers were trying to celebrate Christmas with each other, which was very, very surprising. They were sharing their food, they were sharing their drinks with each other, and they were in a mood of merrymaking, which was very, very surprising. It does not happen usually. So this was the memory which Jim Macpherson wanted to share with his wife, Mrs. Connie Macpherson. He says that everybody was merrymaking and enjoying. Now what happens next, children? That we will find out in the next part of this video. In that part, you will come to know how the letter reached the narrator and what happens to the letter, what happened with amongst both the armies of Germans and the British, how they were celebrating, and what events took place. That we will see in the next video. Till that time, you read the chapter, underline the difficult words, search the meanings, and go through the chapter thoroughly. Okay? Bye.